Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at the count and the countif functions in Excel using some data about Major League Baseball and home runs hit between the years 1901 and 2019. So what we want to do is we want to go through and make sure that there is data all the way through in D2. But what I'm going to do, just to show you, I'm going to clear these contents just to show you that there isn't the data that should be there. So we're going to go in, we're going to type in equals and then count. Now we know there should be 119 that come up here. So we'll type in D2 colon to D120 and there should be 119 that comes up. But we see now there's only 64, so we know that there's something missing. And sure enough, there it is. So we need to go ahead in and make sure that data is in. Now I'm just going to double click just to throw that in there so all the functions will go through, the formulas. Now we have 119. Now, we're going to take a look at the countif function. So we want to know how many home runs have been, what years had more than 3,000 home runs. How many years are there? There aren't a lot, just to let you know. But we're going to type in equals, and we're going to type in countif. Now we're going to put in parentheses, and we're going to say C, because we're taking a look at the National League, C2, and we're going to do a colon to C120. Now what we need to do is we need to put in a comma, and we have to put in some criteria. So we're going to go ahead in, we're going to put quotation marks, and then we're going to put in greater than 3,000. So how many years had more than 3,000 home runs? Then we're going to close that parenthesis, hit enter, and there are 2. And the years are going to come up. They are 2019 as well as the year 2000, had just a little bit over. So that's the count and the countif functions in Excel. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.